Hello guys, and welcome back to our weekly market updates. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded something. So I'll go through all the assets one by one, and let's start from gold because it's everyone's favorite. So what I can see is that gold is still bullish until it breaks this level of 4400. So I'll still be bullish in gold unless this level is broken. So what I was looking for today is I was waiting for gold to come back to this level or to this level, and it has already bounced off of 45.50, and this is a very good support. So what I'm looking at is I'm waiting for gold to break this level of 46.50 that is here, and I'm looking for it to break it and move upwards. And my target is obviously my target is 5,000, but just for this video I'll keep it somewhere here like 4,800. So if we're looking at targets, we don't have any data in the past. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use whole numbers like 4650. We have 4700, and then we can use 4750 like this, and we can also use 48. So why I'm using these levels is that these are whole numbers and they are psychologically important for traders, for institutions, and for algorithms. So we can also draw a Fibonacci extension tool from the low towards the high of this trend, and you can see that the last level that it's giving is 47.74. So these levels are also very important if you want to take partial profits or close your trades. So that was my analysis for gold for this week. Now we'll move towards Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, if you followed my last video in November, this chart is still valid. In November, I told you that Bitcoin is going to come up to this level of 100,000 that it has already almost come up to. And we were somewhere here when I made the video, and it has followed our path perfectly. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a rejection from this level, and I am looking for shorts. If I find a good setup, I'm looking for shorts, and my targets will be 90,000 and 73,000. So I'm waiting for the setup, and I am still bearish in Bitcoin unless it breaks 100,000 with a good momentum. I am still bearish on Bitcoin. If we look at the daily chart, you can see it has already tapped the 38%. It might go a bit up towards 50% of this range, but unless it breaks 100,000, so even on the daily time frame, you can see clearly that the trend is still downwards, and from here I will be looking at shorts, and my take profit is going to be the 73,000 level and also the 90,000 level. Now we will move towards Ethereum. Let me just remove them. So similar structure in Ethereum, it still looks bearish. So for the low level, I can see that 2800 is very important, 2700 to 2800. So this is an area of interest for many. So it has already tapped into this zone. Now what I'm looking at is I'm waiting for Ethereum to tap into something higher, like maybe 4000. So this area is also important. So after drawing these two levels, we have two kinds of scenarios. It can come down to this level again and then keep on moving downwards, or it can do is move towards the 4000 range and then come back down. So I'll be watching both of these levels closely, and if Ethereum moves between them, I look for some kind of an entry or some kind of a trade.